Hey everyone, welcome back to App Insight. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to take control of your TikTok privacy settings by making your following list private. Let's dive right into it. First, open the TikTok app on your phone and tap on the profile icon located at the bottom of your screen. Now that you're on your profile page, tap the menu icon at the top right of the screen. This will bring up a menu at the bottom of your screen. From here, tap on Settings and Privacy. Once you're in the Settings and Privacy menu, navigate to the Account section and tap on Privacy. Scroll down to the Interaction section and tap on Following List. To make your following list private, simply tap on Only You. This will ensure that only you can see the list of people you're following on TikTok. And that's it! You've successfully made your TikTok following list private. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with others. And of course, make sure to subscribe to App Insight for more tips and tricks on how to stay in control of your online presence. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.